How do I install Maven 3? I am using Ubuntu and need to upgrade to Maven 3 from Maven 2. Can someone please help me install Maven 3?
There are two useful publications on this specific topic here. Installing Maven 3 on Ubuntu 10.04 LTS Server Trial and Terror. Installing Maven 3 from a binary deb on Ubuntu Discursive. But with Maven 3, built by Nate Carlson. This URL.
It is not in the repositories, and from my experience the best solution is to download it from apache.org, untar it into /home/user/maven, and then add it to your path like explained here. Uninstall your current Maven 2 before doing this, of course.
I started setting up my Ubuntu 12.10 for the project I am working on. Maven 3 was required to set up the system, and as it turns out most of the documents out there are referring to how to install Maven to Ubuntu version 12.04 or before. The manual installation is useful if you like to dig in deeper to your Ubuntu kernel in regards with apt-get and where it finds the list of applications that are available for installation on Ubuntu. It can also be potentially useful for more recent releases of Ubuntu like Ubuntu 13.04, etc. if you face the same problem as I did back then with Ubuntu 12.10. Best document I found was Kill It Up Here. blogspot.com.au/2012/10/installing Maven 3 in Ubuntu 1204.html. Manual installation. The whole process I came up with is as follows. Sudo hgedit/etc/apt/sources.list. Add the following line the sources.list file. Deb this URL precise main. Deb src this URL precise main. Sudo apt-get update enamp /enamp. Sudo apt-get install Maven 3. Sudo lane s/user/share/maven 3/bin/mvn/user/bin/mvn. Caution 1. Command sudo add apt repository Panati Carlson/Maven 3 did not work on my Ubuntu and had to run sudo add apt repository rm Panati Carlson/Maven 3 to get my apt-get to work again. Caution 2. Thanks to David, you need to remove your existing symbolic link to previous versions of Maven before running step 4. Automatic installation. Some information is also available here for both the manual and the automatic installation.
Try the following script I wrote aimed to be universal to Linux and detects possible use of VirtualBox and attempts to mount possible files from the guest, provided they are set up for sharing.